In 1928, a researcher named Zeigarnik noticed something strange while sitting in a busy restaurant. She realized that the waiters could remember incredibly complex orders, down to the specific type of side salad or steak temperature, right up until the moment the food was delivered. But the second the bill was paid, the memory vanished. It was as if their brains had hit a delete button. This became known as the Zeigarnik Effect. Our minds are haunted by unfinished tasks. Fast forward to today, and we are living in a permanent state of unfinished tasks. We start a diet on Monday and abandon it by Wednesday. We download a meditation app, use it once, and then let it sit in a folder on the third page of our home screen for 6 months. We have more access to health information than any generation in human history. We know exactly what we should eat, how much we should sleep, and how many steps we should take. Yet, as a society, we are more stressed, less active, and more sleep-deprived than ever. The problem isn't a lack of information, it's a delivery problem. We've been trying to solve 21st century distractions with 19th century willpower, but something is changing. We are entering an era where the weight of doing is being shifted away from our tired human brains and onto something much more consistent. We're talking about a fundamental shift in digital wellness. One where the technology doesn't just track your failure, but actually prevents it. But before we see how machines are literally rewiring our willpower, we need to look at a tool that is already putting this technology in your hand. If you've ever felt the frustration of knowing what you need to do, but simply not doing it, you need to check out Accountably. Accountably is an AI-powered mobile app designed to bridge that gap between your intentions and your actions. Unlike traditional habit trackers that just sit there waiting for you to log data, Accountably acts as a dedicated AI accountability partner. It uses intelligent coaching to help you stay focused on your goals while you're trying to escape from a crippling digital addiction. The app allows you to set clear objectives and then provides the AI-driven nudge you need to follow through. It's essentially like having a high-level performance coach available 24/7, ensuring that your unfinished tasks actually get finished. You can download Accountably on the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store to start turning your goals into actual habits. The download links can be found in the video description below, because once you have the tool, you still have to face the biggest hurdle in human biology: the gap between knowing and doing. There is a massive lie at the heart of the wellness industry: the idea that knowledge is power. If knowledge were power, everyone with an internet connection would have six-pack abs and a perfectly calm mind. In reality, there is a massive canyon between knowing that a salad is better than a donut and actually choosing the salad when you're tired at 7 p.m. Behavioral scientists call this the knowledge-action gap. Our brains are biologically hardwired for the path of least resistance. We evolved in an environment where calories were scarce and effort was dangerous. Our lizard brain wants to conserve energy and seek immediate rewards. Meanwhile, our executive function, the part of the brain that plans for the future, is easily exhausted. By the time you finish a long day of work, your executive function is spent. This is why you make great decisions at 7 a.m. and terrible ones at 7 p.m. Digital wellness tools used to make this worse. Early apps were basically just digital ledgers. They asked you to manually input every calorie or every minute of exercise. This required more executive function, not less. You had to remember to track, which created a new unfinished task for the Zeigarnik Effect to haunt you with. AI is transforming this by removing the friction. Instead of you serving the app is starting to serve you. It's moving from a system of manual entry to passive intervention. And it turns out the way we used to track our progress is actually making this gap wider, leading to a massive shift in how we use data. For the last decade, we've been in the era of passive tracking. You wear a watch, it counts your steps, and at the end of the day, it gives you a chart. This is what we call descriptive data. It tells you what happened in the past. But for most people, looking at a chart of their poor sleep doesn't actually help them sleep better. It just makes them feel guilty about being tired. AI is pushing digital wellness into the era of prescriptive analytics. This is the difference between a mirror and a GPS. A mirror just shows you that your hair is messy. A GPS tells you exactly which turn to take to get where you're going. AI algorithms can now look at the noise of your life, your calendar, your physical activity, even the weather, and synthesize it into a single actionable instruction. If an AI sees that you have a high-stress meeting at 2 p.m. and your heart rate variability is low, indicating you haven't recovered well from yesterday, it won't suggest a high-intensity workout. It will prescribe a 10-minute breathing exercise at 1:45 p.m. This is wellness delivery. The wellness isn't something you have to go out and find. It's something that is delivered to you at the exact moment you need it. But having the data isn't enough. You need to know when to act on it, which brings us to a psychological trick that AI has finally mastered. In the world of behavioral economics, a nudge is a small change in environment that pushes you toward a better decision without forcing you. A classic example is putting fruit at eye level in a cafeteria. In the digital world, nudges usually take the form of notifications, but we've all experienced notification fatigue. When an app pings you to keep up your streak while you're in the middle of a stressful drive, you don't feel motivated, you feel annoyed. You swipe it away and the habit dies. This is where AI becomes a game changer. It's moving us toward the golden nudge. Through machine learning, AI can identify your specific windows of receptivity. It tracks when you actually engage with your goals and when you ignore them. For example, maybe you are someone who ignores all health advice on Monday mornings because you're overwhelmed, but you're highly reflective on Sunday evenings. A dumb app would send you the same notification both days. A smart AI-driven system like Accountably learns that the Sunday evening nudge is the only one that results in action. It's about timing, tone, and context. Some people respond well to tough love coaching language, while others shut down unless the tone is supportive and gentle. AI can analyze your responses, or lack thereof, to tailor its personality to whatever actually gets you off the couch. Mastering the nudge is great, but what if the AI could see a problem coming before you even felt it? One of the most fascinating things about AI is its ability to see patterns in multidimensional data that a human could never spot. You might think you're stressed because of your job, but the AI might notice something different. By analyzing your digital footprint, how much you're moving, who you're messaging, how much blue light you're consuming, and even the jitteriness of your screen scrolling, AI can identify correlations you didn't know existed. It might find that your peak productivity is directly tied to the temperature in your bedroom 2 nights prior, or that your sugar cravings are 40% higher on days when you skip your morning sunlight. This is what we call pattern recognition. We often think of our health as a series of isolated events. I ate this, I slept that. But in reality, your body is a complex system where everything affects everything else. AI can look at the invisible stressors, the tiny habits or environmental factors that are dragging you down, and bring them to your attention. It transforms digital wellness from a reactive fix-it shop into a proactive management system. It's like having a team of scientists monitoring your life 24/7 and giving you the cheat codes to your own biology. Seeing these patterns is like having a superpower, but there's a reason we used to pay thousands of dollars for this kind of insight. If you are a professional athlete or a billionaire, CEO, you have a team of people keeping you accountable. You have a nutritionist, a sleep coach, and a personal trainer. These people provide high-touch accountability. They know your schedule, they know your weaknesses, and they don't let you slide. For the rest of us, that kind of personal attention has been impossible to afford. We've had to rely on low-touch tools like books or generic workout videos. But AI is collapsing that hierarchy. We are entering the age of the infinite coach. An AI coach doesn't get tired. It doesn't have other clients. It has the combined knowledge of every medical journal and behavioral study ever written. And it's available for a few dollars a month rather than a few $100s an hour. This is the democratization of high-level wellness. The delivery of wellness is no longer limited by human hours. It can scale to millions of people simultaneously, giving each one a unique, personalized experience. Whether you need a midnight intervention to stop a binge-watch session or a 5 a.m. wake-up call, the infinite coach is there. But even with an infinite coach, the true final frontier isn't just reacting to your day, it's predicting your future. The ultimate goal of AI in digital wellness is to move from proactive to predictive. Right now, most of our health systems are reactive. You get sick and then you go to the doctor. You feel burned out and then you take a vacation. The future, powered by AI, looks more like preemptive strike wellness. By monitoring subtle changes in your data, AI will be able to predict a crash before it happens. Research is already showing that AI can detect signs of the flu or even COVID-19 days before the person feels their first symptom, just by looking at heart rate and respiratory patterns. In the realm of wellness delivery, this means the AI might notice that your sleep quality has been dipping by 2% every night for a week, and your social interactions have decreased. It recognizes this as the lead indicator for a depressive episode or a major burnout. Instead of waiting for you to hit rock bottom, the system can intervene by automatically clearing your schedule, suggesting a specific nutrient-dense meal, or connecting you with a human coach. This moves us away from the all-or-nothing cycle of self-improvement. We won't need New Year's resolutions because the system will be making micro-adjustments to our lives every single day. We won't need willpower because the environment around us, our phones, our homes, our schedules, will be constantly optimized to make the healthy choice the easiest choice. For decades, we've looked at technology as the enemy of wellness. We blamed our phones for our lack of focus, our social media for our anxiety, and our screens for our poor sleep. And for a long time, we were right. Most tech was designed to hijack our attention for profit. But we are seeing a pivot. We are learning how to use the same algorithms that were once used to keep us scrolling, to instead keep us growing. AI is turning our devices from tools of distraction into accountability engines. The transformation of digital wellness isn't just about better apps or faster processors. It's about a new partnership between humans and machines. We provide the goals and the values, and the AI provides the consistency and the data-driven delivery. We are finally building a world where being healthy isn't a full-time job. It's just the natural result of the systems we live in. The knowledge-action gap is finally starting to close. And as it does, we might find that we don't need more willpower. We just need better delivery. If you're ready to take that first step and see how AI can change your personal accountability, don't forget to check out Accountably on the App Store. It's time to stop just tracking your life and start actually changing it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.